Hi everyone. So today we'll see how to create a freestyle project in Jenkins. So usually we create some project and we'll run locally like by using the Maven command or any project, not only Java project, any project you can run locally and you can verify the test, right? The same thing we have to run in the pipeline as well. Pipeline in the sense like a continuous integration and continuous delivery, right? CICD. So Jenkins will help you to run your test in the pipeline. So whenever the build happen or whenever the release go to the different environments, we have to run your test, right? So we can configure those things in Jenkins, and Jenkins is a open source, as most of you know already, right? So how do we install Jenkins and all? You can it's very straightforward. You have to we have two options for Jenkins installation. One is you can directly use the installer, and one is jar file, right? Where you have to install these things. Either installer file or jar file you can select. So when you go for installation, no, it will be very easily and very straightforward. You can go for you can go through the Jenkins website and you can do the installation, right? So once you install, we have to map our build. Map our project to run our build, right? So today we'll see that one. So how to create one freestyle project and how do we run our Maven project, right? So install the Jenkins. Okay, so once you install, like we have to do some setup. Like so, the Jenkins has to understand where the Java is installed or where the Maven is installed, right? So for those things, we have to go to the global tool configuration and we have to give the path, right? So this is my Jenkins. You have to go to manage Jenkins and go to the global tool configuration where we will. Okay, this is a global tool configuration. If you scroll down, you can see the JDK installation, right? So I have installed JDK 11. So I've just given the Java home path, right? This is where my JDK file present. And next thing is like you have to give the Maven as well. So I'm using the 3.63 version. You can use any version, and you have to given this Maven. The installation folder, right? So bin folder that I have kept in my C folder. These two things you have to done, and click on apply and save. And so once the global tool configuration setup is done, you can come to the dashboard. Okay, this is a dashboard view. Okay, as per the document, we have done the setup. Now we have to create one new item by using the freestyle project, right? So come here, click on the create new item, right? So here we can name as a freestyle project, right? Okay, so freestyle project, and click on the freestyle project option and click on the OK. Okay, once the project is created, you can see this is general description. You can update anything here. We can leave as it is. So scroll down here, you can see the git bucket option, right? So we have to click on this advanced option, and you have to check this use custom workspace, right? So because we have to tell the Jenkins where our project is placed, right? So that we have to check this use custom workspace option. So click on that option. We have to pass our project directory. Okay, project folder directory. Okay, so this is my folder. So I'm running at my E drive, right? So I'm just copying this path and I'm just giving to here. Okay, so display name is similar to your project name. If you want to change, you can change it. Otherwise, we can leave as it is. Okay. So come to the build option, right? So in the build option, we have to select the invoke top level Maven target, right? So that's what we have stated in the document as well, right? So in the 6th point, we have to create, we have to select that invoke top level Maven target option. Okay, so that we have selected. So since this is a Maven project, so you can change the Maven version if you want. Like, so I have in the global tool configuration, I have installed the Maven version 3.6.3, right? So you can leave as a default. So here we have to pass the command clean test, right? So since it is already Maven option we are selecting, so we don't want to pass the MVN, right? So MVN we don't want to pass it. So only clean test or clean verify, any Maven run command you can pass it here, and click on the apply and click on the save button. Okay, once the project is saved, now you can see there is no workspace as of now. So now we can go to build now option. Okay, so we have to build the build now. So by clicking on this build now option, see the build is started. So you can directly go to the console to watch out the console things. Watch out the outputs. So when you do first time, there will be some Maven dependencies from download from the central. Okay, so once the downloads and everything is done, so the test is started now. Now you can see the startup is coming, right? The Chrome driver started successfully. So now the test is started actually. So here you can see now, so the driver is started successfully, right? And running the test, right? So we are running the test and we are closing the test, and you can see the build is success now. Okay, so we'll come back to the project. We can see this blue icon, right? So blue means your build is successful. So we'll go back to the project now, and you can see here, so it is in the blue color, which means success, right? So now you can go to the workspace and you can see, so whatever the folder that we have in the Eclipse, it came here, right? This is a workspace for this project. So next time you can simply go on, you can build the project now. Okay, the same thing I have done in the Eclipse as well. Okay, this is a project that I were running. So here also we can see now, so I'm just simply click on the Maven test, right? So we'll compare the console if it is, I mean everything is coming as I expected or not, right? So again I will open the console in the Jenkins. Right, this is a Jenkins console. We were getting like a startup running the test, and we are getting the page of, I mean title of the page, right? So here also our test is started. So we can see here startup, right? So the page is launched, and we can see running the test and title of the page, right? The same output and console we are getting it here as well. So our build is success now. So now you can go back to your project. I mean you can go back to your dashboard. You can run it from the dashboard itself. So this is a project that we created. You can see this is in the blue color. If something is in the red color, which means it's failed, and something is in the yellow color, then you can say as a build is unstable, right? So now this is a project that we have created, Freestyle one. So you can directly run it from here as well. Okay, so you can trigger the build from directly here. So now you can see the build is started now. Okay, so now we'll get into the project and we'll see the second build, right? So it is started. So you can see in the dashboard as well. So it will be running the state, yeah. So here you can see, so this yellow, I mean blue color is in progress, right? So the project is building now. So we'll go to the project and we can see the console now again, right? So again the test is started now, right? So this many, I mean this is how we have to set up the project in the Jenkins for the Freestyle project. Okay, there are so many styles are available when you click on the new item, right? So we can create Maven project, or we can create the pipeline project, right? There are, I mean, multi-configuration project. There are so many projects we can create. So we'll see one by one. So this is how we create a Freestyle project in Jenkins, right? So now we have created a project and we have executed. Our build was success, our test is success, right? So now we have to publish the result to our Jenkins, right? So when we run locally, we some integrate third-party reporting plugin like Extend report, Allure report, and Maven Cucumber report. There are so many reports are available, right? So the same report we have to publish in the Jenkins as well, right? So in my previous video, I have covered how to generate, publish the HTML report, how to publish the test ng results, and how to publish the Cucumber report for Cucumber project and all. Okay, so it's all in my YouTube channel. You can please go and watch all the videos of generating the different types of report as well. Okay, so that's all about this video. Thank you guys.